Hi guys, this is our new fridge. The brand Hisense, Chinese brand, but actually they're very good. And we got the eye, the water come out this way, and we got a French door, so you can open like this and look inside. Automatically eye masker, but we have to plumb on behind the wall, and then that's it. Look at our fish, very big. And got a veggie one here as well, and then have the eggs. You can put the egg in here like this. And
This one.
this one can go in here. No, just clip like this then. And oops. And the middle part, so we can book like ice cream, or can book like
Seafood.
we can book beer. Actually we keep this one for the beer fridge, so we put all the beer and the wine in there, and then you can turn it the temperature you want. Yeah, you can turn on the temperatures. And down here for frozen, look at how much spice, and then you can have frozen meat on there, or say the roll like this. And then here we got the other one as well, so very big one. So have a lot of frozen meat can fit in there. And you can book. We have ice here anyways. Yes, so actually we have to spend the other 100 or 200 baht for the plum come in, so that we can have the eye come out when we're drinking. And this the for me, like the cost of the fridge is 1,950 I, but actually puff plus plum come over, so maybe about 200 baht, so maybe about more than 2,000 for the fridge. Oh dear, 1 month of my working, man. Oh dear, look at that. We got so many spice here. We can book a lot of salt and everything in here like this. Oh man, so big. And especially Hisense, Jenny. Especially the Hisense, they say in here like inverter is mean like set electric. So just see how electric bill going.
And the warranty?
And the 3-year warranties.
And the energy rating?
Yes.
Not that good, but okay.
I don't want to say only 3 star.
No, 2.5.
2.5. Yeah, and touch screen, you can use like a touch screen and choose everything by touch screens. Yeah, very good. When I buy up the mortgage, I have get the YouTube fridge. Can book a picture in there. One of the singer, one of Vietnamese singer, he use the YouTube fridge, and then he book his picture there. Always coming up and everything, weather and everything, his picture there. Alright guys, see you, bye.